Hi friends, in natural convention or free convention flow, Basnak's approximation is main roles. It acts lead actually main role. Without Basnak's approximation, there is no free convention flow. If anyone doing the free convention first flow means what he should know what is the Basnak's approximation, then only he can able to proceed the problem. See, where you will get Basnak's means what in equation of momentum. If we see dou u by dou t, u into dou u by dou t is v into dou u by dou x dou u by dou y is equal to minus 1 by rho minus rho infinity to g kinetic viscosity dou square u by dou y square. This term will lose. Actually, natural convention will be occur due to the difference of the density. In this equation, other than this term, everywhere you can keep as a density constant. Only the temperature difference will be occur due to this density difference. Then the density difference, they can write the summation of the temperature difference, and if you deal mass transformation, you can write the concentration difference. This is the Basnak's approximation. How they will do? B rho is equal to dt. This is temperature. Then this is the density. You can write the density difference. You can write the sum of the temperature difference and concentration difference. This how I will explain. You see, then we can write volumetric coefficient of thermal expansion. Volumetric coefficient of thermal expansion, B is equal to, I will write 1 by S dou S by dou T. Here why I am taking is what S is actually volume here. Normally density is equal to what you will get, mass by volume. This V you can treat as a S because maybe you will differ with this V, this V. I am writing this is V. Now 1 by S dou S by dou T. Now with respect to want to change means what you will get actually, suppose if I take V is equal to M by rho. Now dou V by dou T, what you will get? D also we can write actually. Dou V by dou T. Only single variable means you can take D, or else dou you can take. Dou V by dou T, how can I write? With respect to means what here density also difference. So what you will get? 1 by M rho square here always we consider unit mass, so this become 1. Now minus dou V by dou T become minus 1 by rho square dou rho by dou T. Now you can come and substitute what you will get. Beta is equal to, and actually S is equal to V. So how can I write V is equal to what? M by rho. M is equal to 1 because unit volume, unit mass we are taking for volume. M is equal to 1. If you do, what you will get? This become 1 by S is what? Rho. This is what? Minus 1 by rho square dou rho by what are maybe this cancel, sorry, this cancel, this become what? 1 by rho by rho T. So this is the volumetric expansion. Next we can discuss So from this actually dou rho by this what you will get minus 1 by rho, difference is what, dou rho by rho minus rho infinity, this become what, rho g will get, g, this is equal to b minus gb you will get, minus gb t you will get, t minus t infinity, getting or not? So this is the expansion of the Bossonog's expansion. Okay, next we see the slides. Bye.